YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the AC system. So if you have a BMW, you have checked the refrigerant level and it's fully charged, but for some reason your BMW AC is still not working, then I'll show you what you need to do. So if you have the YOUCANIC scanner, what you need to do is you go to diagnostics, select BMW, and then go to smart VIN. So the smart VIN should pick the model automatically, but if it doesn't, you can manually select the model, whatever you have, 7.5 series, X5, and so on. So in this case, it should pick up as a BMW 7 series, and yep. And then you go to diagnostics, and then you go to control modules, go to body, scroll all the way down to the bottom here, integrated automatic heating and air conditioning. The module name is IHKA. And then you can read codes. That would be the first thing. So a lot of times you'll have codes in here. If it's low pressure, it's going to say what you can do is you can go back and then you can clear those codes. A lot of times BMWs, the AC, if it triggers some code in the past or randomly triggers a code, then it just prevents the AC from running. That we've seen that happen. And so you can clear the codes, but if the code returns, then we have an underlying issue we need to address. Now this is important under live data. You can look at the temperature sensors, air conditioning compressor. Let's take a quick look at this because it's important. Running protection concluded. Fit the compressor clutch, it's fitted. Okay, let's go back because I do also want to see sensor values. So if you're checking temperatures at various sensors, you can see here those are updated live. So this can be pretty helpful for troubleshooting. Air humidity, solar sensor values, footwell temperature. So there's quite a few sensors overall installed in this car, so you can check those values, air freshener, flat motors, and so on. And then it's important to active tests, indication light, reset control unit, flat motor self test. So the motors that control the air direction up and down on the under the dash, you can test. They'll run a test through those, and then if there's any errors, they'll let you know. One that's pretty practical is this blower function. So like if your blower is not, it's not turning on at all, you can come in here, you can turn it on, activate it, it'll turn it on at 80%. So it just turn that on right there, and then you can deactivate it. FKA blower, you can turn that on and off as well. You can see your refrigerant temperature. And you can do more tests in here. Radiator shutter, you can open and close that as well. So that's how you can troubleshoot air conditioning system on BMWs. This can be very helpful because these cars are full of sensors, and even if something very simple throws a code, it can prevent the whole system from running. So again, if you have checked, first check with the basics, check the relays for the AC compressor fuses, check the refrigerant level, and check that pressure at low and high side. And if everything there is good, then you will have to invest in a scanner so that you can dive deeper and try to figure out what's going on. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.